Hello parents, today is the beginning of our second week of this month of October and also of teaching our little ones about their body parts. From teaching them about their external body parts last week, this week we'll be transitioning to teaching them about their internal body parts. Today's activity is more of a learning aid that will help you guys achieve just that. We'll teach them 5 basic internal body parts. So let's get to the activity and let me show you guys how you'll do that with the little ones. Satvik, what are we going to learn about today? We're going to learn about what body parts are inside you, right? I'm going to teach you that today, okay? We're going to open envelope number 6, alright? Today we're going to be learning something. Yes, wow. Yes, okay. Now, what are these body parts, Satvik? We've got to learn about 5 different body parts, okay? This is Sadik's body, okay? And let's put the body parts first, okay? Now, can you tell me, where is your, yes, this is a heart. What is this? This is your?
Heart.
Okay, we put the heart.
No.
Do you want to put it? Okay. I'll help you. I'll show you where to put it. You have to put it here.
No. Yeah.
Okay. Now show me where your heart is. Your heart is here. Where is your heart? Yes. And what are these? These are your lungs. What are these? These are your?
Lung.
Yes. Now the lungs will. Okay. The lungs will come on top of your heart. Not here. I'll teach you. I'll teach you where to put it. Yes. We'll put it.
No.
अच्छा पोते कर ठीक है okay how am I going to no problems okay what do you have what are these are your lungs अच्छा tell me first what are these are your
Lung.
yes and what do lungs help us do they help us breathe yes you breathe with your nose right mom has taught you that but then when you breathe air through your nose it goes inside your lungs it goes inside your
Lung.
yes, and then what is this? This is your brain. It has to go here. It is inside your head. What do you have inside your head? You have your brain. What is this?
Brain.
Not this, not this. Put this away for 2 seconds, please. 2 seconds. What is this? This is your?
Brain.
Yes, these are your lungs.
No.
Achha, okay, you don't want the brain there. Oh, but the brain will be in the head only, no? Yes, put it here with your hand. Very. Put this down. You only put it. Yes. Yes. This is your brain. Very good. Now what is this? This will come here. This is your stomach. This is your stomach. What is this? This is your say stomach. Stomach.
No.
Okay. And what are these? These are your kidneys. What are these? These are your kidneys. Yes, they help in purifying your blood. Yes. Now, can I please keep things in its proper place? See, your heart will come to your left. Then your lungs will come on top of your heart. Then you have your stomach under here. And then you have your kidney here. Yes. What is this? This is your kidney. This is your stomach. Show me your stomach.
No.
No? Okay. Achha, then what are these? These are your lungs. What are these? These are your lungs. Say lungs. Yes. And what is this? This is your heart. This is your
Heart.
and this is your
Brain.
very good boy. So parents, as you guys saw in today's activity, we're going to teach our little ones 5 internal body parts. We're going to teach them the brain, the heart, the lungs, the stomach and the kidney. Alright, these are very simple body parts. You can very easily explain to your child what each part does and then you can show it to them. So this learning aid that we've sent you, these cutouts of all the body parts, this person and the felt cutouts, all of them are going to help you do that. If you just explain to your child orally, he's not going to understand that. But when you show these body parts to the child, and you explain to the child that, this is your heart, this is what your heart does, these are your lungs, this is what your lungs perform, they will eventually understand. So this is a learning aid, parents. You have to use this learning aid with your children on a regular basis. Do that for an entire month's time, and at the end of the month, your child will very easily be able to tell you all these 5 internal body parts and even their functions if you explain that to them every day. Alright? So that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.